Alright guys, so this is my 2019 bike check. I'm gonna tell you why all I have is also gonna be a bike review. Like what am I getting in the future and all that. So starting off on the grips, I have Odyssey Brock Rakeford grips. Brock Rakeford grips, they're very nice. Sorry the quality of the camera ain't that good, it's on my phone. With Odyssey Parens with Eastern bars, 9-inch rise, Odyssey Freeze stem, random headset, Haro forks. I think they're 32mm offset. Rant wheel. I do not know what the tire is. I know it's 2.3, have it at 110 psi. Going on to the middle. Eastern seat, Black Ops seat clamp. The seat's very nice, very squishy. Odyssey seat post. Now I'm going off to my drivetrain. I hate this drivetrain for real. I have Eastern cranks 175, Eastern sprocket 25 tooth. The pedals, I don't know what the fuck they are. Eastern. Wait up. Eastern bottom bracket. Pedals really suck. Alien Nation cassette back wheel. It's missing about 8 spokes. Same tire. Now my review is I don't like the front end. It's too short for me. I'm a tall guy. I'm 6 foot. I'm gonna get a 9.25. And also the new stem. This one's almost 2 years old. I like the forks. That's the only thing I think I'm not gonna replace anytime soon. I'm gonna get new cranks, a 28 tooth sprocket, a new back wheel, and also a new seat, and new tires. Yeah, but on to how dialed this bike is. It's not that dialed. Oh yeah, my frame. It's a Stone Casino frame, 2015. I love this frame. I mean, the back end is long as fuck, but it gets the job done. Been having it about 2 years already. Oh yeah, and pedals, I'm gonna get Odyssey Twisted Pro pedals. See, Odyssey seat. May end up getting Shadow bars, 9.25. Might end up getting the same stem. Yeah, but this bike is holding up. But alright guys, if you like the video, share, like and subscribe, comment. If you hate it, dislike it, doesn't matter. But I'm gonna probably gonna have a new bike in the next 6 months. My YouTube channel is gonna consist of weightlifting and BMX, and also some daily vlogs. Alright guys, so peace.